Hello, for this problem, when you're setting up the equation, it says for the non-extreme weather months, Palmetto Electric charges $7.10 plus 6.747 cents per kilowatt hour for customers using up to 1,200 kilowatt hours. And so you want to write the linear equation. Let me make my numbers bigger. Y equals, no, it's a linear equation. Remember, y equals mx plus b. So for our function, the first part, the fixed amount, that would be your b, is $7.10. We know the other part is the slope because it says per kilowatt hour. Now this is in cents. I want to make it all in dollars. So it would be 0.06747 x plus the $7.10. This is when we use up to 1,200 kilowatt hours. So that would be x less than or equal to insert there it is, less than or equal to 1,200. So when x is less than or equal to 1,200. Now you could also put 0 here, simply because you're not going to use a negative kilowatt hours. You could have 0 less than x, or less than or equal to, either one, doesn't matter. The second equation says for customers using up to 1,200 was this one, and then it says charges 88.06 plus 5.788 cents per kilowatt hour. That means it's the rate again above 1,200. So our rate 0.05788 x plus 88.06 when x is greater than 1,200. So you want to think of a linear equation, slope, y-intercept. Some of them don't have a y-intercept, they just have the slope. So b would be 0. Then we need to graph it. To graph it, you go to Desmos. Now when you're putting it on here, you put y equals and your equation 0.06747 x plus 710. Then you use, it's next to the P on your computer or keyboard, the script symbol. It might also be down here. I didn't look. It's probably in here somewhere. but it's on your keyboard next to the right of the P. And then you put 0. I'm going to use less than or equal to because it's your less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1200. And then we do the other one. 0.05788x plus 88.06. And then put your script x greater than 1200. And then you can zoom in and out. Or you can use this button here. And we could go -1 to, we want greater than 1200. So I'm going to go 1300. The Y will go, oops, Y, won't click. There we go. -1. Not sure how high we need to go, so I'm going to go, oops, 88 plus that. I'm going to go 400 and see if everything's there. Yeah, we got enough. But you can see where your graph is. You can see that it's discontinuous at 1200. So that would be writing it and graphing it. What is the monthly charge if 9600 kilowatt hours are used? Then you just see which one it falls into. So 9600 is less than 1200, so you would plug it into this equation. 0.06747 times 960 plus the 710. 1580 is greater. Since it's greater than, we would use this equation, and in place of the x, plug the 1580 in.